channel Tan's World, and before we proceed, are you following me on Instagram? If not, I'm going to link it down below and somewhere on the screen. Do check it out. I share a lot of pictures that are not part of my YouTube, and I also share some sneaky little details about the upcoming videos on Instagram. Now, carrying on with the video, this video is definitely by far the most heaviest video I have ever done till date. And what do I mean by heaviest? Wait for a second. This whole big box, I think it weighs around 4 or 5 kgs, is my subscription box. And this is from Snobbox. And if you're interested in knowing what is Snobbox and what this subscription box is all about, so keep on watching. So Snobbox is a subscription box available in India. And I think I'm the last person on planet to know about it, and I wish I would have known about it earlier. A subscription box that helps you get your outfit ready. Yes, they have everything under the sun, from clothing to jewelry to bags. Everything under the sun. So what Snobbox does is that by paying $199, you're subscribed to a Snobbox, and you can choose whenever you wish to receive your Snobbox. You want it every month, once in 3 months, once in 6 months. It's all up to you. Ask you a little bit of question about your personal style, and after that you can choose the budget of the box. The budget of the box starts from 800 to 1300 of range and goes up to higher. That's up to you, whatever you want to choose, and every box will have a minimum of 5 items. And if you go higher in range, the number of items in the box obviously get higher as well. And once your box is curated by your personal styler, they will send a link to you for you to make the payment for the box on their website. I'm going to link everything down below, so do not worry about that. So I chose the maximum budget for my first Snobbox. I didn't go for a lower end because I wanted to see what best could they offer. So I requested them to exclude fashion jewelry. So this box only consists of clothing items and bags, and there are a total of 17 items in this box. So the moment you open the box, you get a cute little note from Snobbox where they welcome you to Snobbox and also share their favorite items of this box. Item number 1 is this lace high neck top, and this cost around $12.99. And I love the end of this crop top, which has this cutout detail. Now, second item is the Kesha top in a nude color. The cost of this top is $11.99, and it is in a nudie color. I'm so thankful that I tried it on because this has never been part of my style ever, and I loved how it looked on me. It was quite well fitted. It has a zipper on the side to be well fitted from the top, and it just flares at the end. Item 3 is this blue vest, and this is blue indigo color with a tie detail, and this cost around $13.99. Item 4 is the bell sleeve top, and this is in a light mint grey color, and it has a flute sleeve detail to it. Costs 1,099 rupees. Item 5 is this blue top with the sleeveless detail and a slit overlay as well. Obviously there is an underline to it as well, so nothing would be visible and you can wear it freely. This is priced at $11.99. Item 6 is this cami in a candy color. I really like the detail, I really like the color, it is right up my alley, and this is priced at $999. Item 7 is the yellow off-shoulder lacy top, and this costs $999. Item 8 is a white knitted cold shoulder top priced at 949 rupees. Item 9 is the white cold shoulder top with the stripe detail, and it also has a crisscross detail in the front, and this is priced at $899. Item number is deep neck cami in the color maroon. It's priced at $1,099. And item 11 is this gold chain detail black top, and this is priced at $1,099. And these do tend to wear off, so it can result into malfunction because even while putting this top over this hanger, it just fell off 2 or 3 times. So obviously this has to be returned. Item 12 is this black well-fitted knit top, and this is priced at $899. Item 13 is this printed pencil skirt, which has a very nice abstract print to it, and it goes on up till the knees. It is quite stretchable, so it fits you perfectly well, and priced at rupees $14.99. And the last clothing item in the box is one of my favorites, and it is this scuba skirt in a stripe detail. And this is priced at $15.99, and it is one of the most expensive items in the box. And now it's time for the bags. The first bag is this maroon satchel. It's called a handmade bag. It has this detail where you can hang it right on your shoulder, and it is priced at rupees $12.99. Item 16 is this clutch which has a golden detail and a marble detail to it. It is priced at rupees 17.99. Now, item number 17 is this beautiful black bag. It has a look of a bucket bag, but it's a tote. It has good capacity and it's lined with the color red. And this beautiful black bucket bag is priced at 17.99. So once you receive the box, you have 48 hours to decide which all items you wish to keep and which all items you return. And once you've decided, you can log on to your account on Snapbox and there'll be a list of all the items that they have sent you and also an option of return and to be kept. And you can return all the items if you don't like, and you can keep all the items if you like. Once you shared which all the items you wish to return, they will schedule a return pickup from your house for no extra cost. And since you've paid for all the items in the box, you can choose what kind of a refund you want. You can go for a store credit that could be used in your next Snapbox, or you can request for an amount to be refunded back in your bank accounts. And I would just like to say I'm quite amazed by this subscription box. This is right up my alley. I'm all about clothes. I'm not much about makeup or fashion jewelry, but this is right up my alley. These are all clothes and some of them I really love. So I hope you like this subscription box unboxing and review, which is obviously unsponsored. And if you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time. Bye.